We are getting ready to depulp some of our coffee. This is the very beginning of the coffee season, coffee harvest season here in La Paz. Our coffee pickers have just finished with the first bit of coffee picking. So we're now going to measure the coffee that has been picked today. It's actually a volume measure, not a weight measure. We have our depulping machine here. We're going to get it going in a minute and we'll show you how we depulp the coffee. Luis is going to put it in the funnel. Over here we have the coffee greenhouse, or coffee drying greenhouse, and we have some coffee already drying there. So you're probably wondering how you can buy some of this coffee. Well, you can visit our website, www.compass1.org, to buy some of your very own Howling Monkey coffee. That's right, we call it Howling Monkey coffee. And yeah, if you drink enough of it, you really will howl like a monkey.